In this video, I'll guide you on how to install Anaconda Python on Windows 11. Anaconda is an open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages. It is mainly designed for data science, machine learning, AI projects, and large-scale data processing. So first, open your browser and in the URL bar, type anaconda.com and press enter. This is Anaconda official website. Now what you need to do is click on the free download button at the top right corner. After that, you'll see this screen. Here, you can sign up by clicking on Get Started, or if you don't want to create an account, you can simply click on Skip Registration. Next, you'll land on the download page. Scroll down a little, and here we will download the Anaconda distribution. Click on the download link, and it will start downloading Anaconda. The file size is around 1.1 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Alright, once the download is complete, right-click on the installer and select Open. The Anaconda setup screen will appear. Click on Next, then click I agree to accept the license agreement. Under Install For, select All Users, then click Next. Now it will ask where you want to install Anaconda. You can leave the default destination on the C drive, then click Next. After that, check the option Register Anaconda free as my system Python, then click on the Install button. Now, Anaconda will start installing on your system, so wait until the installation is completed. After the installation is complete, click Next, then click Next again. Now untick both options. Launch Anaconda Navigator and Welcome to Anaconda Guide, then click on Finish. Now we are going to run Anaconda and test everything to make sure it is working properly. Go to Windows Search and type Anaconda. Here you will see Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. Click on Anaconda Prompt. Once the Anaconda Prompt window opens, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. This will start a small local server on your machine. You can copy this local host server URL path and open your browser and paste it in URL and press Enter. It will open the Jupyter Notebook dashboard. From here you can create a new project. Click on New, then select Python. This will open a new Jupyter Notebook project file. Now we'll run a simple print command. And as you can see, it works successfully. So that's how you can install Anaconda on Windows 11 and run a Jupyter Notebook project. If this video helped you install Anaconda, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.